guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing triple cheeseburger. I'm making a barbecue sauce because I ended up not having barbecue sauce in my house, but you can for sure opt out of this. If you have barbecue sauce in your house, just go ahead and use it. But these are the ingredients I used, and I'm just going to put it on the stove and allow it to simmer until it becomes thick. All right, so moving on to the actual burger. I'm using 90-10 lean to fat. I wish I found the 80-20, but they didn't have any. I'm adding some garlic and some salt. I'm not doing too much with the seasoning because this is a layered burger and you could easily over salt this whole thing, so you want to be careful. If you want to load it up with seasoning, that's fine, that's on you, but I'm just doing garlic and salt. And so you're going to make some balls because I am going to make these like smash burger style. So you want to make like little golf size burger balls, and just like this, like I'm doing here, like golf size, you know, or maybe the same exact size you'll make like if you're making spaghetti and meatballs. So to my lightly greased cast iron skillet, I'm gonna put a couple balls down. In hindsight, I kind of put too many. I put 3. I probably should have done 2 at a time because I forgot, you know, I'm gonna have to smash them. And so I put 3, but if you have a small cast iron, make sure you only put like 2 in there because you won't have room for them to, you know, spread out. So you want to put some parchment paper down just to protect it, and use whatever you have in the kitchen. I just use a spatula and I push down on it and flatten it completely down. What this does is give it more of a crusty and more flavor on the underside, and that's why I did it. And plus, it's better when it's super thin like this anyway. Easier to eat, not as thick, and you're good to go. Plus, I'm doing this triple style, and if I had done this regular, it would have been just way too big of a burger. So what I added around the burgers was some shallots, some thinly sliced shallots. You can use onions if you prefer. I only use shallots. And once those get nice and caramelized, I pile them right on top. Next, I'm going to add the cheese. I'm using the savory white cheddar cheese that I got from Kerrygold. The brand is Kerrygold. And this is how it looks once the cheese is nice and melty and beautiful, ready to go. Look at that barbecue sauce on that nicely, perfectly toasted bun. Okay, those little garlic pieces, nice and tender. I'm going to add some tomatoes. You can do pickles, lettuce, whatever you want. I just feel like a burger like this, I'm just going to do tomatoes and keep it simple. And I'm just going to start piling them on. All 3 patties going right on this one burger. This burger is for a grown man. Okay? Don't give it to your homegirl. Well, child, if your homegirl could take something down like this, go ahead, but this is for a hard-working grown man burger. This is what this is. And next, I'm gonna add the barbecue sauce on top. Look how amazing and beautiful and perfect. Do you see how thin the patties are though? Like if I had made it regular, it would have been just way too big. But this is how it looks, you guys. Put the bun on top and you're good to go. This is obviously something you don't make all the time. You know, it's been a very long time since I've even made burgers on my channel. I'm usually showing y'all my yogurts, my healthy stuff and things like that, my chicken recipes, but it's the summertime. I know y'all want to see a burger recipe, so here it is. Won't be another one for a very long time, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.